As everyone is busy talking about end bad governance protest coming on 29th of this month, do you know that a very heavy genocide is being committed in Biafra land by Nig Army? As we are talking right now, they say a place in Umuaka, one village in Umuaka called Umuele, and also in a place called our Omama and Ihiala. A lot of things are going on in that area as we are talking. I'm going to play you the videos. You see the kind of destruction these people have given, setback they have given to the people of those communities. A lot of things are going on in Southeast, but it's like our people is used to suffering and smiling. However, according to the information what would they get, they say that they are doing all these things in search of unknown gunmen. What I'm asking is, unknown gunmen living in people's shop, or is unknown gunmen is standing in roadside in people's petty business side? That is the question I'm asking them. Those women that sell little thing in the street, are the unknown gunmen standing nearby? Because a lot of things is going on. However, my wonderful people, they say that the FCT police DPO don't call outside the citizens and also the resident of FCT not to join any protest, that Tinubu government is doing them well. My wonderful people, they say that the Nigerian military don't say that if Nigerians join protest, that means they are going to create anarchy, that nobody should join the protest. We are going to look into so many videos we have here. Please stay tuned and watch all this video from beginning to end. I'm going to bring up the video of the destruction, what the Nigerian army is doing in Biafra land, is doing in Igbo land, is doing in Southeast as we are speaking currently. Just watch the videos. Don't forget to stay there for Blabbergist. Please share this video and make sure you follow on our social media handles. Thank you. Watch the video.
One for all on our Basioko. Yeah, life corner, man, Asia, life, Nazia. Life, Nazia. Yeah, the mother, shop mother now, Basioko here.
No, Yaman. Na ni ogi yamen. Le oko ka de la pa, oko de la pa. O lo bara wo. Baize. No di here we ta wuri. Eh, kala bakwa. Kala bakwa. Mana onye hafuru lolo pe ya. Ha gburu ya wefu.
Life, yeah, send you. About the election of Nina. Yeah, I ended soldier this morning. I have killed a lot. Yeah, job in the last. The soldier and the go over and send you business. Obodana, I is go down from Oboda. Yeah, send you now. I am a child who is so. Let Crota send you that. Yeah, Crota send you. Yeah. That's your pay, Gata. Everything now I send you that. Send you that corrupt. Yeah. So everything would have. Then in a job, I send you now all over. Here she go pass back to square one. I have a now. Yeah, last year, and I will have zero can Nigeria government.
That's in there. So far, about ya, digi. Abari ari jiji. Hey, abari ari jiji. When the shops kala basi yako na sele. O kwa mbagu. Eba ki yeme ha mere ha. Ba ki yeme ha mere ha. Ifre.
Igwe mati na chop ge gboro ọkụ nwụọ. Ga agakwa.
Ya di wala.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. This is happening in Imo State. As I have mentioned before, the communities where this thing are happening. These are happening in Omama, Umuaka, in Umelem, and in Ihiala side, you know. So a lot of things is going on right now in Southeast as we are talking. Anambra, Imo, and Abia State, you know. So what is actually going on? Why is it that when unknown government do something and go, the Nigerian military will go to that area where that thing happened and start harassing people? Is it how to show that you guys are trained for what you are doing for? Yes, few days ago in Europe, something happened. One part of Europe, some group of guys come and rob. First time I'm seeing such thing happening. They rob one particular spot and shot some police. But nobody was harmed there. Nothing was done to the people living around that area because they know nothing. You do your investigation, proper investigation, and get to the people you are looking for. And this is when you got to a place called Zoological Republic. You see the reason why Nnamdi Kanu call Nigeria names and you people did not understand. A people that can behave like this, somebody did something and you are going after another person who know nothing, setting that person back in this hardship. And you see some Nigerians coming up to say nonsense. When you see some people without brain saying something, especially they sit down on TikTok, start saying nonsense because of you don't believe in something. A lot of people that believe in that and believe in what they believe, just like a Christian religion. So I don't understand what is going on in Southeast. Is it how the military are doing in other places? The answer is no. But why is it in Southeast they always go after the people that don't nothing? However, my people, let me play this video and what the FCT chairman have and DPO have said, that anybody who protests, and also play the video of what the Nig Army said. Let's watch Nig Army video before we come back and continue.
Other items and areas targeted. Accordingly, the level of violence being envisaged can only be described as a state of anarchy. The armed forces on its part will not stand by and allow anarchy to befall our nation. This is because we have seen wars and have witnessed anarchy in countries in which we have operated. particularly during the times of Omama or during our peacekeeping operations in various countries. I believe that some people out there may fantasize about war or state of anarchy, thinking that it is like what they see in the movies. I assure you that war or a state of anarchy is not what you see in the movies. It involves real people, real situations, and real life. On the other hand, I will further say that while citizens have a right to peaceful protest, they do not have a right to mobilize for anarchy and unleash terror. It is easy to see that the contemporary context of the planned protest is to shadow the happenings in Kenya, which I must say is violent, and add that it remains unresolved. Already, we have detected some unscrupulous elements bent on hijacking the planned protest with the aim of making it violent. Many are therefore following in ignorance. For instance, there are indications that if you possess a smartphone, if you possess a car, if you possess a shop, if you own a house, or even use air condition in your house, you have been labeled a target.
Then the protest that you said that is going viral, I want to appeal specifically to the residents and indigenous and everybody that is in FCT. Please, lions do not destroy their dens. You cannot see a lion who destroys its den. No. I would not like you to join this protest. I plead of you. Because we have toiled, we have suffered to ensure your safety. We have fought those people outside Abuja. We have been to Kaduna to fight them. We have been to Nasarawa to fight them. We have been to Kogi to fight them. We have been to Niger to fight them so that you can be safe. That is why I have lost men. Last week alone in Gidandogo, I lost two policemen. The other day, I lost 2 again. Let our loss pay for the protest. I want to plead with you. We don't need you to be in the streets before somebody will say he is trying the police might. Or you will say, go and say, Igwe did this, Igwe did that. Please, please, don't destroy where you are living. If you check, the government have provided good roads. Whether it's from the minister of FCT or from the president, check the roads in FCT. From Wuse to anywhere, you can check. Even in the hinterlands, they are trying their best. I don't need to talk for anybody, but I'm saying it because we have been in FCT, we know when there is changes. We have been in FCT, we know when there is changes. There is changes now in FCT. And we don't want miscreants to come outside from outside the FCT to come and start destroying them. We will go back to square one where we were before. I plead, I beg of you, do not join this protest. Let us continue collectively to make FCT safe. Let them go and do what they want to do, but not with us. Act maturedly. Act maturedly. Act like people who appreciate Even the loss we have been losing to ensure your safety. Use it to appreciate us. If you give it to us, we will be very happy. We will continue to provide security for you. God bless all of you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my wonderful people, please share this video as many as you can, and make sure you are following our social media handles, and do not forget to drop your own opinion in comment section. Thank you.